create a shell and tube heat exchanger datasheet can be just like 1, 2, 3. 1. Open the magic Excel workbook. 2. Click the buttons to select your simulation software and the exchanger to report. 3. A datasheet is ready. In this video, I will show you how you can quickly create a heat exchanger datasheet from ProMax, UniSim, and Hysys. Let's duplicate the blank table first. To import Hysys, click the button OK. Select exchanger you would like to report. You have the options to choose either English or metric unit, and you can also swap sides. After clicking OK, a datasheet for Hysys is ready. Move to the right. You can see both sides' physical properties. UniSim is the same way as Hysys. Click the button, Yes, select exchanger to report, OK. A datasheet for UniSim is ready. ProMax is the same way as Hysys as well. Click the button, Yes, select exchanger you would like to report, OK. A datasheet for ProMax is ready. Thanks for watching this video. More useful tools can be found at engineeringtoolbox.net.